Hi, this is Chris from needlepointers.com. Today I'm here to share with you this 9-patch pillow that I made from our free pattern. This is a perfect pattern for a beginner sewer as there are no zippers and just a Velcro closure in the back. The pillow can be put together in around 1 hour. This 9-patch pillow pattern was released in 2019 and can be used to make a pillow using feature fabric, panel blocks, orphan blocks, or just 9 different fabrics. If you use a feature fabric, fussy cut the 7-inch blocks to get the featured images in the center of the blocks. For my pillow, I used new Garden Sketch machine embroidery designs from Designs by Juju in the blocks. Since I was machine embroidering the blocks, I cut the fabrics 8 inches square, machine embroidered the design, and then trimmed the blocks to 7-inch square. This made it easier to embroider as I didn't need to get the pattern exactly in the middle. I could center and trim the blocks after they were embroidered. Once the embroidery was complete, I used the pattern on our website to put together the pillow. The back of this pillow has a Velcro closure. It's not much harder than an envelope closure, so it's still pretty quick to sew. I hope you enjoyed learning about this 9-patch pillow. Look in the description of this video to find a link to the 9-patch pillow video tutorial and free photo tutorial. If you'd prefer a printable PDF pattern, we have one available in our Etsy shop for a small fee. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Like and share our videos, and if you are not a subscriber, subscribe to our channel so you won't miss future videos. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of other sewing tutorials and free projects. While you're there, sign up for our free weekly newsletter so you won't miss new tutorials. Happy sewing!